Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. As you guys know that inside this our channel we used to drop daily updates on boom and crash index. As you can see, this is boom 300 and I want to show you guys an update of what happened today, which happens to be the 7th of this month. So I want to show you guys what is the update on our boom 300, our boom 500 and our step index. So join me now as I show you guys how this our powerful indicator have proved to us that is the best indicator that you can use as a beginner or as a pro to skyrocket your daily profit on trading boom and crash index with step index. So this particular indicator also work on gold. It also work on gold. Let me show you how it work on gold. You can see this is how it works on gold. You can see the uptrend start from this particular area and the end is stop at this particular area, and we are right now we have a confirmation for downtrend, and also you can see that we have a confirmation downtrend at this particular area. We have another uptrend here. You can see that it works on gold. So if you want to use this particular indicator, you can also use it on gold, and it does not reprint. It does not reprint, guys. You can see this is a massive profit from gold. This is a massive profit from gold. You can see that. So this indicator is very powerful and it has been proven to us that it's working perfect and very accurate. You can see that. So but this is not the reason why I'm making the video. I'm making the video so that you guys can see an update on our crash 300 on 5-minute time frames, and I'm going to show it to you on our boom our boom 500 and our step index. So firstly, we need to understand that we have our support level and our resistance level, but this is not the main reason for you to take the trade. The main reason for you to take the trade is this particular signal, this particular arrow that you are seeing here is why you need to enter the trade. As you can see now, at this particular area, we have the trend that entered the market at this level, and what you can see now is a massive downtrend. And at this particular level now, you see that we have an uptrend, and this indicator does not reprint. Once it appears, it stays permanent on that particular spot. You can see it begin to go on a uptrend on a massively, and that is the today trade start from this particular level. You can see that up to this particular level. Currently now we are on this particular level. You can see that we have a massive uptrend and we have a massive downtrend today. So with only this, you will have made a lot of profits in the market today. So let me show you what has happened today on our boom 500. Let me show you guys so that you guys can see. As you can see, our 7th of this month started from this particular day, and this is 6th of yesterday. This is the outcome of yesterday trade. You can see that since yesterday trade go smoothly as we always show to you guys. I make a video of it yesterday, and I told you guys this particular trend is going on a downtrend up to this particular moment before we have another signal to us here that we have a massive uptrend. And currently now we are on the day 7, which is of this month, and we are having a massive downtrend from this particular down to a skyrocket up to this particular time. I think this is the only confirmation trend for today, and it has been so massive, guys. It has been so massive. It has been in profit since morning, guys. And this is a very massive profit. So I want to show you guys, because I told you guys that this indicator is also working on step index. You can see this is step index, and this is how it used to work on it. And we can see here that we are our 7th of this month. This is the 6th of month. We can see what our trend did. Our trend go on it down massively, and we have another uptrend here, which give us just a short trend to reach our support level at this particular area before it give us another downtrend confirmation. You can see the downtrend confirmation for short trade, and it give us another uptrend here, which give us up to this particular area before giving us another massive downtrend on that same trend. You can see that. So this helps us to take the market on a downtrend up to this particular level, before we have another trend that show on a uptrend at this particular area, and we have another massive downtrend today also, which happens to be the 7th of this month. And you can see it has been so massive on a downtrend to us, and currently now we are still on a downtrend massive. So if you have this particular indicator, it will have helped you to catch up a lot of profits in trading. Boom 300, boom 500, and step index this to just only today it has been a massive profit. And also I show you how this indicator works on our gold. You can see it works on our gold. It works massively on our gold. So if you are trading gold also, you can apply this indicator and it's going to help you to catch up your daily profits every single day. So that is how this indicator works. So now to get this particular indicator is very simple. All what you need to do is to join my Telegram group, or you message me directly and I'm going to respond to you guys. But this indicator is not for free. It is worth it, and this is what I'm using and I'm making a lot of profit with it. So guys, see you guys in our next video.